All right, so you got an email about an audit. Ugh, I know, they're horrible, right? I promise they're not as bad as you anticipate. So, audits are very, very typical for all of our surplus lines carriers. Any carrier that is out there is going to have an audit. And really, what it is that guess what? People aren't honest and they try to find that out. So, a lot of people in the insurance business come in and say, hey, my sales are $100,000. So, my rate is lower. And then at the end of the year, they realize that they actually had $1,000,000 in sales and they didn't pay the right amount. So, insurance companies created these audits so they can collect the correct premium. So, a couple tips. Be honest, guys, be honest, because they're not just going to take their word for it. They are going to ask for P&Ls. They're going to ask for tax returns. They are going to ask for sales numbers. If they catch you lying, it just looks bad. So please just be honest. But with that said, do not overinflate your numbers. Don't say I'm doing $2 million a year when you're doing, 1.7 million. Pay for what you're doing. Don't overinflate your numbers. This is the one time you don't want to make yourself look good. Also, please respond to them. If you do not respond, they have the right to do an estimated audit and say, hey, this is what we think you're doing, so here's your estimate. Now, you can fight it after that comes out, but it is so much easier just to respond to the audit, give them your sales numbers, and move forward. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us, but be honest and do your audit.